Say hello to your new kitchen hero. It's easy to steam, reheat, and store with GRIPSTIC Steam Store Bags. Here's how to use this reusable silicone bag for all your kitchen needs. Add food and optional seasonings to the bag. Pinch to seal the bag. Place the bag upright in the microwave and heat. The bag will self-vent to release steam. Carefully remove the bag from the microwave. Then slide the sealing rod on to counter steam or keep food warm. Add leftovers to the bag. Pinch to seal the bag. Place the bag upright in the microwave and heat. The bag will self-vent to release steam. Carefully remove the bag from the microwave and serve. Add fresh or frozen foods, leftovers, or pantry items to the bag. Pinch to seal the bag. Slide the GRIPSTIC universal sealing rod across the top of the bag. Halfway through, squeeze to release excess air. This helps to keep food fresh longer. Place in the fridge, freezer, or pantry for airtight storage. To open, slide the GRIPSTIC sealing rod off in the opposite direction. Lightly moisten the top edge of the bag with a wet paper towel to help the rod slide more easily. After use, simply place the bag in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleaning. Acidic foods like tomatoes and peppers may stain silicone. Lightly coat the inside of the bag with oil before filling. For strong smells like seafood or onions, soak the bag in lemon water to refresh. 3 sizes, endless uses. Replace thousands of single-use bags with one simple switch. A better way to steam, store, and stay organized, all in one bag. GRIPSTIC. Products for living, products for life.